Car came in yesterday, towed in, no starting. Found a bad terminal, repaired the terminal. Car started, charged the battery all day long. It was charging. Came back in today, tow truck, battery light on, not charging. Just jumped the car, no battery light on now. Battery light flickering now. There we go. We're going to check the charging circuit. Just because the battery light come on, don't jump to throw an alternator in there. Check that alternator circuit. Listen to me. Check the alternator circuit. Check the pinouts. Check what's coming in. Check what's going out. Confirm that the alternator is bad.